Hey there, tech enthusiasts, future online entrepreneurs. Welcome to Raven Media Tech. Welcome back. I'm Neil Kelly, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of digital success with AI art, copywriting services, and Fiverr. We'll start by exploring Leonardo.AI, where you'll learn to create and sell stunning AI art. Then we'll uncover the secrets of offering copywriting services online and harness the power of Fiverr.com to monetize your skills. That's making money, people. Whether you're an artist, a wordsmith, or a tech whiz, or maybe just somebody who wants to make some extra money on the side, get ready to supercharge your online earning potential with Raven Media Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. People, we're going to do this. Let's roll. All right. And here we are at our wonderful, fantastic Chat GPT. We're going to get back into him. But what I wanted to do first is I wanted us to go into Leonardo.ai. That's my good friend here. Now, if many of you may or may not know who Leonardo da Vinci was. Leonardo was this, I don't know, the scientist and creative artist person. So I guess that's the reason why they named this after him. Leonardo.ai. If you hit the create an account button, it will take you to this screen. All you have to do to sign up, if you're already signed into Google, is just hit Google, right? Just hit Google. It will sign you up and sign you in, right? Now, I really don't want you guys to see my email because you guys will probably send me a million emails. So let me pause and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So this is the screen that you're going to be greeted with. Um, Introducing motion, which we'll probably deal with that in another video. So this is Leonardo, right? I want to first kind of go over a few things here. This is the amount of tokens that you get every day, right? If you upgrade, and let's say you do decide to upgrade, for $10 a month, right? You get 8,500 monthly tokens. That's a lot, right? No relaxed rate image generation jobs, no relaxed rate video generation. So what that means is it'll generate the images or videos faster. Yes, this does videos also for all of you videographers and DOPs out there. No relaxed rate upscales. You can do up to 5 pending jobs at a time. You can have private generation where only you can see the work that you've done. You can train 10 models per month and retain up to 10 models. And priority infrastructure, right? And no concurrency, which means you cannot um, do three pending jobs at one time. So you can do up to 5 pending jobs, right? But no concurrency. I got to really clarify that because it sounds like a conflict. And then of course, that's the apprentice standard. You have the artisan unlimited, which is $24. Pretty much the same, except you have 25,000 fast tokens. And then you have the unlimited version, which you can do as many. You have 60,000 fast tokens. Um, and you reset on your billing date, and you have just a bunch of additional things that you can do with this. And I didn't want to kind of get all into this, but I wanted us to focus on the free version here, right? So let's go back to Leonardo. So here we are. This is it. Now you get 150 tokens each day, right? So let's say I wanted to create an image. Up here, this is the prompt that you want to type. Now, these are some of the images that I created yesterday. I'm doing a movie called Basia, and it's actually two movies. I do film. It's about a homeless kid who acquires this power from a device that was left by a time traveler thousands of years ago. And these are some of the ideas, um, the images of what Basia might look like, right? Um, and this is actually up here, this is what the Alkeblans, the the civilization that this time traveler comes from, look like. Yes, it is a black civilization. It is a civilization that is in the future. But anyway, I want you to focus on the art that it created just from me typing in prompt and idea. Let's get started with that. So if I go type a prompt, let's say uh, create an image of a village in, no, create a, let's do this. Create an image of a futuristic Kampala, right? Um, street view, sorry, right? Include flying cars and holographic adverts on the building, right? Now here, this is the number of images you can create at one time. So let's go ahead and create these four. And what I want to do is I want this to be photorealistic. Now, when you do photorealistic, it ups the amount of tokens you're going to use, right? So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this for a second, and we're going to come. All right, and here is the reveal. It gave me a flying saucer. That's funny. Um, so this supposed to be a futuristic Kampala. Um, and we can generate all types of art. Uh, and we can even include the dimensions. The larger these numbers here, better the quality. We can print these on t-shirts. Uh, we can uh, use it. Uh, and as you can see, it has some of the older cars with flying saucers. Um, Now, one of the things that I see that is missing is my request for holographic advertisements. So let's try this again, right? Create an image of a futuristic Kampala street view. So let's do this. Let's try this. Create an image of a futuristic Ugandan in a cyberpunk suit. Now, cyberpunk suit is like these futuristic suits, right? Um, and yeah, so let's do that. Let's run that. Right. So because we're on a free version, it takes a while to generate. So, maybe like a minute or so. But so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pause you again, and when it's finished, I'm going to bring you back. All right, here's the reveal, guys. Here's the reveal. Now, all of this is generated with artificial intelligence. All of this is created out of the minds of a computer, out of the mind of a computer. So imagine, let's say, generate an image of a futuristic Arsenal fan. I'm not a football um, person, but I know you guys like football here. I'm an Arsenal fan, right? Now let's generate that. So imagine what you can do with this stuff. And you can create just about anything with this. And the thing is that a lot of people don't know where to go to get to these tools for free, and a lot of people don't know how to use them for free. It's very simple. So I have it set to generate four different versions of the same one. I can generate eight different versions, but Keep in mind when you do that, it uses some more of the tokens. Okay, here's the reveal, guys, right? And it's taking its time. Let me go ahead and pause for a second. Okay, guys, here's the reveal. So it created these images. Keep in mind that these people do not exist, right? Um, of course, it has the Adidas and there's the Arsenal logo. I told it to create a futuristic Arsenal fan. So this is out of the mind of artificial intelligence. So, and as you can see, part of the logo is there. And you see, I think these are the colors for Arsenal, the red. So it's pretty cool. So imagine you can actually create these images and you can sell them. So now let's move to the very next thing, right? Fiverr, right? This is Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you can actually sell, you can purchase or sell things here. And here's a category. Look, there's graphic design, programming, digital marketing, video, writing, music, business data, photography, and AI services. I chose AI art, right? And as you can see, people are making money, right? Here, they're making $100. You create it and um, you upload it and then you sell it, right? I will create custom AI art using AI tools. And they're selling this at 100. And this looks like this was sold 29 times, right? And now we're not talking about shillings, people. We're talking about dollars, right? I'll create awesome art based on your words using Midjourney. We're using not Midjourney. Midjourney is another one. That's a whole nother video, another AI art tool. But we're using Leonardo, which is, to me, in my opinion, just as good as Midjourney. Um, so here we have the ability to create art and sell it. I wanted to show you one other thing before we conclude. Copyright, copywriting services, right? Let's see. Now, what is a copyright? We're not talking about like copyrights when it comes to like law, like my music is copyrighted. When a person is selling something online, let's say um, they want to sell, let's say, vitamins, and they want a description about it. That's what you call copywriting, is creating the the verbiage, the words that will entice people to purchase that particular product. Now here you can see it goes from $6 to $10, and it can go all the way up to I've seen it on this site for as much as $300, right? For instance, let me go ahead and just remove this and just say copywriters. Here you go. Pillar copywriting, right? $35. Here, $225, $565. What you do, you post your service up there, you post some of your things that you've done, and people will come to you and they will hire you to create this text, right? And why are you popping up on me right now? I don't really care about that right now. And here's the good thing about that. You would use Chat GPT to create that. So if I say create, um, add description that will entice people to buy vitamins from a website, right? It does it. Are you ready to supercharge your health and well-being? Look no further. Discover the world of vitality with top quality vitamins, especially and then you put your website name. So they tell you the product and what what needs and kind of give you an idea of what needs to be said. You come to ChatGPT and ChatGPT writes it and you make money. Guys, this is good stuff. Um, we're going to be going over even more stuff as we get into this. This is the first of many videos. And once again, guys, please don't forget to click subscribe. I'm going to be uploading videos every time about new technologies and how you can make money online. And how do you get your money from Fiverr? That's one other question. You get your money from a bank card. You can upload the bank card, right? Um, to Fiverr, and when somebody purchases, the money gets forwarded to your bank card. Now, if you don't like doing that, right? You can actually sell your services locally here in Kampala or in Uganda, right? You can go out there and you could say, "Look, I create digital art. This is some of the art that I've done." Right? I can do T-shirts, and you work with a branding company, saying these are the different types of art, or you can customize some art um, for a particular client. So this is huge, man. This is huge. So, like I said again, guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button. We're going to be diving into this, and I'm going to even dive into how you can make money locally, in the local economy here in Uganda, and this can apply to any African country. So, once again, guys, thank you so much for listening. And remember, keep pushing. And thank you for watching.